Let's talk about your business in the context of a special balance sheet and how you can protect against the loss of a key person. We'll start with the current state. Every business has both assets and liabilities. One common asset to any business is cash. There's also another vital but often overlooked and unaccounted for asset that is key people. Key people are those who are important to the business's continued financial success and often include the owner and top executives, employees with unique skills or knowledge, and those who contribute to the company's revenue through customer relationships. In the event that a key person leaves the business either by death, disability, retirement, or termination, the loss can create an economic risk to the business and create a large liability on the balance sheet. This liability may include the cost to replace the person, train a new employee, the loss of sales contracts, or overall loss in revenue. It may result in the need to use assets or current cash flow in order to offset the loss, leading to financial instability, bringing the future of the business into question. Now let's look at the same business balance sheet, which includes assets, cash, and key people, as well as the potential loss of the key person. Only this time, we're gonna use some of the cash to pay after-tax premiums on a life insurance contract, ensuring the life of the key person. The policy is structured with the business as the owner, premium payer, and beneficiary. Now, if the key person dies, the business can use the tax-free death benefit to cover the liabilities and ultimately reduce the economic risk. With the permanent insurance, if the key person leaves by any other reason other than death and the policy is sufficiently funded, the business has access to the cash value. Also, in the event of critical, terminal, or chronic illness, the business may be able to access funds through the accelerated benefits rider. And the good news? You can potentially get the death benefits and access to cash value income tax free. That is the power of key person with permanent life insurance and how it may help you efficiently protect your business.